Scrubbing. If a local scrub policy is displayed in the scrub room, it must be strictly adhered to. Turn the sleeves up to allow access to the elbows. Set the water temperature, allowing the water to flow for a while to let the temperature stabilise. Set the water flow fast enough to rinse, but not to splash your scrubs, as when they become wet, bacteria from the upper body will be drawn through the damp scrub material onto the outer surface. Wet the arms to the elbows. Take 5 to 10 millilitres of your chosen antiseptic lotion, using your elbow to operate the dispenser. It is advisable, once selected, to continue with this lotion for the remainder of the procedure, as mixing of the lotions is not recommended by the manufacturers. Apply the lotion rapidly to the hands, forearms and elbows, ensuring all areas are covered. Remember, it is the time the lotion is in contact with the skin that is important, not how hard you rub it in. Use the sterile scrubbing brush with antiseptic lotion applied only to clean under the nails. This should be done in a downward direction. This complete section takes approximately 2 minutes. Unless moving directly from one procedure to another, subsequent hand washing should follow the same pattern using the brush on each occasion, as this reduces confusion and increases compliance. Rinse the arms from the fingertips to the elbows, moving the hand upwards at all times to allow the water to drain at the elbow. Manipulating the fingers and rotating the arm assists in rinsing off all the lotion. More than one pass through the water may be required, but at no time should the arm be drawn backwards, allowing dirty water to flow back towards the hand. Take another 5 to 10 ml of lotion and apply rapidly from the hands up to the elbows. Once fully covered, concentrate mainly on the wrists and hands, ensuring all web spaces, thumbs and palms are given particular attention as demonstrated. After approximately 1 minute, the hand and forearms are rinsed as before. For the final application, take 5 to 10 ml of lotion and apply from the hand up to the mid-forearm, once again concentrating on the wrists and hands as demonstrated. This final stage should take 2 minutes approximately. Rinse the whole arm as before. To aid drying, allow excess water to run off from the elbows before moving to the gowning trolley.